is going on, guys? Welcome to Extreme Daily Drivers. If you're new to this channel, we're always working on something cool in the garage, whether it is a show car like my 91 Honda Prelude, or if it's a dream build like my wife and I are working on here with the 91 Miata. We are always building something cool, always working on something rad, and today we're going to be working on my 2006 Jeep Commander, and we're going to be addressing a serious problem that all of us have. And that is this armrest here. Oh my God, this thing is a nightmare. Now this is the limited edition. We got leather in here and all this good stuff, but it doesn't matter if you have limited or if you have sport. This guy comes kind of raw plastic, rubber, whatever the heck it is, and it's about time we do something about it. So whenever I'm looking for something like this, something kind of crafty, something I think that I could do myself if I knew how to sew, I always go on Etsy because there's loaded with all sorts of cool stuff for your car, truck, or your house or whatever. If there's a skill that you don't have, you can usually find someone on there that does have that skill and they can hook you up. So I hit up Etsy and I did a little search for a Jeep Commander armrest cover, and I got this guy for like 35 bucks shipped. Super cool. It's not leather, but it's like that synthetic leather, and it comes padded. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a nice padding on there. It's gonna look awesome on this armrest. To give you a little taste, I got it laying on here. It's been sitting on here for a couple weeks and I've been using it because I'm too lazy to install it, but today is the day we're gonna get it installed. Now I went with black because I didn't want to try to match the tan interior, and I do have kind of black carpets in here, so I thought this was a good pick. So the first thing we're gonna do is grab our Torx bits and get these things pulled off of here and pull the lid off so we can work on it in the garage. All right, so now that I got the lid off into the garage, you need more Torx bits. Yeah, that's right, you need more of these guys. Gotta get these guys off, these guys off, and then I think this whole thing's gonna come out. Now, if you don't have these Torx bits, I'll put a link down in the description so you can pick up a set off of Amazon, because if you have one of these Jeep Commanders, man, you need to have these bits because the whole freaking truck is made out of these things. So now that I got all the brackets off of this, let's see if we can squeeze the pad over this so we can get a kind of understanding of how it's gonna fit. All right, it only took a couple minutes, but I got the thing squeezed down here pretty good, and I'll tell you what, this thing is pretty darn good fit. I mean, it's not glued on or anything like that or stapled, and that's a pretty awesome fit, right as is. So the seam is off right here because if you look underneath, there's that little cutout. Don't really know what we can do about that, but I'm going to try to stretch it and then staple it and see if we can make that fit a little bit better. I'm also going to put a little spray adhesive on the top of the pad before I go ahead and mount the cover. I just wiped down the armrest with a little bit of this Duplicolor wax and grease remover, and now I'm going to be using this Loctite spray adhesive multi-purpose stuff. Kind of find this anywhere. I'll put a link down in the description for all this stuff if you want to just order it off Amazon. Now when putting this on, I found working from the back forward works the best. All right, there we go. Got it on there. All right, now I'm going to be using some staples and a staple gun to go around the perimeter of this and really get it into place. I'm using these T50s and this kind of traditional staple gun. I'll put a link down in the description if you guys want to go ahead and get this project going. But this is a nice shallow staple, and that's what we're looking for here. You don't want like a giant deep one. We just want this to go through the cover here and then bite into the plastic. So I started laying the staples down, and I kind of try to do each side to kind of hold it in place. And this is going to be one of those instances where the more staples, the merrier. So I'm just going to keep working my way around this perimeter until I know this thing is 100% secure. All right, pretty much done, dude. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let me know. I wish I would have used a little bit more spray adhesive on the side. You see how there's a little pocket here? Spray adhesive would have helped that. It's really not that noticeable though. It doesn't really bother me all that much. It just would have been more perfect if there was some spray adhesive on there. No big deal. Everything else seems good. If you don't like the way these staples look, you could always paint them with, I did that one there. Just use a Sharpie. Go around and paint them black. Just get creative if you want to hide these, but no one's really ever going to see the underside of this. And again, I'm not trying to win a car show, but what I am trying to do is prevent my elbow from killing me when I'm driving down the road. So anyway, let me go ahead, put everything back together and get it in the car so we can actually check it out, try it out, and see if it's worth it. But hell, $35, I can't see how it's not. All right, guys, it is the following day, and it's actually bright out now, so I could show you the armrest. And man, I've been using it all day, and I absolutely love it. Check it out. Check it out, dude. What do you think of this? Let me open up the sunroof, let in some light. Yeah, dude. Turned out totally awesome. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. What do you think? 35 bucks? Can't beat it, dude. Cannot beat it, huh? Just absolutely love it. Totally worth it. Definitely do it. Link down in the description. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If you have a Jeep Commander, dude, you need to sub to this channel because we have so much awesome stuff coming. Oh my God, it's gonna be great. So make sure you sub. I'll see you next week. Every Tuesday, 3:30, I drop a new video. I'll see you then. Later.